Hey everybody, beefytechs here with another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade or replace the RAM in your late 2008 MacBook Pro. This is a MacBook Pro 5,1. There's the RAM. Tool you'll need is just a little plain Phillips screwdriver. Let's get into it. First what you want to do, there's a little slap here, you undo that, open this little cover, set that off to the side. Next we want to take out the battery. Pretty simple, pull up on this little tab, lifts right out. Nice and easy. Next there are 4 screws on the top there and then 4 more underneath where that lid was. I'm going to go ahead and remove these 4. And then when you get to this last one, you notice it is much shorter. Make sure you keep track of which hole that goes into. That is pretty important. I'm going to undo these next 4 here next. Alright, now we have all the screws removed. We're going to lift up this the bigger cover here, and there you can see the main motherboard and all the innards of this beautiful computer. There you can see the RAM, pretty easy. Pull out the tabs, pop right out for you there. Next you're going to want to grab your new RAM, slide her in there, make sure the notches match up, give it a little push, it should go right in for you. Then you're done. You can start putting it back together. So fairly easy procedure here. Here we have it all put back together. I'm going to start it up to show that it's all working. And here we go. Boom. Alright. That about sums it up. Like me, subscribe me, follow me, do as you will.